Senior 4 now is what we are going to see, but as we said that for any activity of integration, always for a teacher, you always focus on the syllabus book to know the competence. Now, our first topic is composite functions. Remember, we saw the composite functions earlier in senior 2. Now here we are having a function that is saying, okay, you have a scenario, but we say that wherever you want the scenario questions, please just WhatsApp me on that number, then I send you the questions I'm using. Or at the start of the video, you can pause, then you can see the question. Okay, this one says, a business is planning its month sales and expenses. The company tracks the expenses using the function. So they are tracking the expenses using this function here. So they are tracking it using f of x equals to, that is what tracks the expenses. And they are also tracking sales revenue using the function g of x equals to plus 2,000. Now they want us to, the business is trying to plan for 50 units sold and needs help in determining the total revenue after expenses. Now here, they want us to get now g of f of x, meaning we are going to get this composite function. This means that we are going to substitute this function into this so that we can get this composite function. So it's always better we start with now this original function, this function that starts here. So now our g of x 200. Now I'm going where there is x, I'm going to substitute this. So my g, now you see that where there is x, I'm putting this, is going to be now 200. So I'm just substituting where there is x, I'm substituting the f of x. So this will be now, my f of x is then we can expand here, we shall be having minus 9 plus 2,000. Of course, you see that this one is vanishing, so giving us x squared plus 3x plus 2,000. So this is our df of x. So this means that when we substitute in the 50 units, they want us to get the revenue. We shall be able to get the total revenue for the 50 units. So now from here you come and say your g f of 50 is going to be, we'll be now having plus 2,000, which will be 4,650. So that's the revenue. So you come and you come then and respond, because we said for any task they give you, you have to respond to the task. So you come and say now they wanted help the businessman find the composite function and determine the total revenue after expenses when 50 units are sold. So the g f of x is x squared plus 3x plus 2,000, and the total revenue after selling 50 units is 4,650. 4,650. As simple as that. So that's how we can easily handle the composite functions. So let's proceed.